Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the display of the email address on the sign-in screen in Windows 10. If you've noticed that your email is hidden when logging in, this guide will help you make it visible again. Let's get started. Open the Settings app by clicking on Start and selecting Settings or pressing Win+I. Click on Accounts, and then select Sign-in options from the left panel. Scroll down to the Privacy section. Find the option labeled Show Account Details, Email Address on the sign-in screen and turn it on. Close the settings and restart your computer to apply the changes. That's it. Now your email address should be visible on the sign-in screen in Windows 10. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more Windows tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.